Hi guys, welcome to day 6 design challenge. In today's challenge, I'm going to show you exactly how I created this stunning eye-catching birthday flyer you are seeing right now. Trust me, you don't want to skip this video for any reason whatsoever. If you have ever wanted to design something this clean and professional using just your smartphone, then stick with me to the end because I'll be breaking down everything step by step. So guys, without wasting much time, let's get started. So guys, first thing first, click on this icon, go to image size. You already know the image size we've been using since ever we began this design challenge, 1080 by 1350. Yes, so I'm going to import the background of this design quickly. So guys, this is the background. Click on your good icon. Now go to relative size, increase it. Yeah, beautiful. Lest I forget, I would like to say this: every graphic design you see out there is a problem solver. And what kind of problem do we solve? Visual problem. I'm going to explain that in a short while, but stay with me. Now I want you to lock this background. We're going to be importing the second background again. So guys, this is the second background. Click on your good icon. Now increase it, place it here. Now this is what we're going to do. Follow me carefully. For this other one, yes, go to eraser, increase it, erase this part out, so click on your good icon. Hope you can see. Yes, that's good. Now lock this background, lock this other one. Beautiful. Import the image of the celebrant. So guys, click on your good icon. This is our picture. Okay, reduce it a little, then place it here. You understand? That's not all. Copy it, delete this one behind, then bring it down. Like I said earlier, every graphic designer is a problem solver. Whenever your client comes to you for you to create a design for him or her, now the client wants you to help him or her visualize that design, make it real, make that concept real. There is something they can see and you are the only one that can make it visible for every other person to see it. You get my point? Now go to eraser, increase this. Let's erase here a little. Click on a good icon. Hope you can see it has blended with the background. Yeah, it has blended with the background. That's not all. Go to inner shadow, enable it, change the color to what? White. Hope you can see. Increase the blur radius a little. Yes, it's giving it that shiny effect. Now reduce the opacity. You get my point? Reduce it a little, or let's increase it a little. Okay, this is good. Now go to your color filters. Let's work on this image a little. Increase the saturation a little, increase the brightness a little, then go ahead and increase the contrast. Hope you can see the effect we are having. Beautiful. This is beautiful. That's not all. Follow me carefully. I think we are going to work on the background. Yes, highlight this one, just highlight it, then go to color filters, increase the saturation. Yeah, it's looking more like it. Increase the brightness. Beautiful. Then increase the contrast a little. Guys, this design is beautiful. Now I want to say a big shout out to artist. I don't know whether it's a he or she, but that's the person behind this wonderful masterpiece. I want to say thank you for taking out time to create this masterpiece. This design is awesome. Thank you so much for this masterpiece. Now let's continue. Her name is what? Helene. So go to text, go to edit, be writing what? Helene. Yeah, click on your good icon. One of the things that you are going to learn in this design challenge is this: you'll be learning different concepts when it comes to church flyer design and birthday flyer design. We'll be using this font, good game. So increase it. I think that's the font they use, although it's close to it, very close to it. So place it here. Now we need this text to stand out, so go to shadow, enable your shadow, reduce the opacity a little. Let's see, go back, reduce it again. I think do you know what happened? I think we should change the color. Yeah, the color to white. Let's give it a white color. Let's see. Well, it's not bad. I think we'll have to stick with the black color, don't mind me. So reduce this. Okay, let's see. So guys, let's continue. I think it's okay this way. And click on copy, go to edit and type the word Onyeka. I don't know whether this lady is related to Dunsin. I don't think so. So we're going to take it towards behind. Okay, take it behind a picture. Yeah, something like this. So take this up, also take this up. Hope you can see. Yeah, I hope you can see what I'm doing. So we'll put this picture at the center. So go to relative position, centralize it. Yeah, this is good. This is good. Now be writing happy birthday. So go to your A icon. Happy birthday. Okay, so place it here. Now go to font. We'll be using MTN. Okay, yeah, so reduce it. So place it here. Reduce it again. Now go to shadow. Enable it. Yeah, I'll be using this. So click on your good icon. Let's also add inner shadow. Let's see. No. Let's leave the normal shadow. So go to spacing. Space the text. Okay. Now the next thing we're going to do is for us to reduce the size. So reduce it from here and place it here. You understand? So go to alignment. We're using a center alignment. Okay. Now highlight this, copy it, go to edit. We're writing the word +1. Beautiful. So we'll have to do what? Reduce it. Then rotate it a little, reduce it again. Yeah. Let's see. Okay. Now move it. Okay. Take it down, move it a little. Yeah, this is good. I'm making progress. Now let's check the original design. I'm going to import it now. So guys, this is the original design. There's something I want us to create, which is this stuff. Yeah, that stuff, this birthday stuff. So click on, please make sure you lock it. Beautiful. Then click on shapes, reduce it, place it here, reduce it again. Okay, click on a good icon. So what we're going to do, we're going to rotate it, reduce it, and rotate it a little. You understand? Want to get the exact shape. Yeah, this is good. So we're going to close that layer. Okay, and go to color, enable it. Go to your plus icon. Let's pick the right color. So this is the color on the shape. Yeah, this is the color. So that's not all. So just click on it, then go to eraser. Follow me carefully. We're going to erase these parts. gently. Just erase it. Click on a good icon. Let's see. Okay. Sorry about that. So bring it down. So go to eraser again. So let's erase it again and see. Okay, so our birthday is 13th January 2026. So click on this, copy it. Although we'll be using a different font, 13th. So this is 13th. Reduce it, rotate it, reduce it again, reduce it again, place it here. Now go to font. We'll be using this font, Evil Empire. Yeah, that's the font we'll be using. So do what to reduce it again. So highlight it, copy it, edit it, write Jan. Yeah, so bring it down. Okay, go to position, move it, bring it down. Okay, go to relative position, bring it down. Yeah, increase it, move it, take it up. Okay, place it there. Okay, now go to color, go to your plus icon, go to your color picker, pick this color. Okay, this exact color, yeah, pick it. Yeah. So we're going to move the two of them simultaneously. Let's move them. Okay, move it. This is good. Okay, now highlight the date, copy it, then edit it to 2026. Yeah, so go to relative position, bring it down. Now let's move it, take it up. Okay, now this is what we're going to do. Go to size, reduce the size, just reduce it. I think it's okay. Now move it, bring it down, move it. Beautiful. Now let's import the butterflies. So guys, these are the butterflies. So click on your good icon, follow me carefully. First of all, let's edit them. So increase the saturation, yeah, increase the brightness, increase the contrast. This is good. So the first butterfly we need is this big one. So go to eraser, increase it. We're going to erase this part out. Follow me carefully. So hope you can see what I've done. Now click on your good icon, reduce this one, just reduce it. Okay, and place it here. So highlight it, copy it. We'll have to delete it too. Yes, so we're going to import it now. Copy it, place it here, but we'll have to take it behind the right up. Let's see. Okay, so take it behind. Yeah, this is good. Now let's import the butterfly for the last time. So guys, I've imported it again. We're going to edit it. So increase the saturation, increase the brightness. This is good. Now go to eraser. Follow me carefully. So this is the part we're going to erase. Follow me carefully. This part, we're going to erase this part. Erase this one too. We don't need this part. erase this little one, and click on a good icon. So place this here. You can increase it. Don't worry, increase it. Bring it down. Okay. Now take it behind that picture. Yeah. Hope you can see. This is good. So we are done with this design. One last thing. Highlight the word birthday. Copy it and slant it. Hope you can see. Slant it. Sorry about that. So move it. Place it there. Reduce the size. Okay. Now go to spacing. Increase it. Okay. Let's change it to words. So increase it. No. Take it back to letters. Increase it. Increase it. Increase it. Okay. Okay. You can increase it manually. Okay. Now go to size. Reduce the size. Reduce the size. Just reduce it. Reduce the size. No problem. Go to position. So move it this way. Move it this way. Bring it down. Still go back to size. Reduce it. Then go to position. Okay. Go back to size again. Reduce it. Then go to position. Okay. Now copy it. Sorry about that. So go to position, move it, bring it down, bring it down, bring it down. Move it, keep moving it, bring it down, bring it down. Okay, take it up a little. Take it up, take it up, take it up, take it up. Okay. This is good. This is good. So guys, we are done with this design. The next thing we're going to do is for us to edit the design in PixelLab. So guys, this is the design. Go to tools, go to adjust. Let's enhance it. Increase the brightness a little, or you can leave it the way it is. Just leave it the way it is. Go to contrast, increase it a little. Then go to clarity, increase the clarity. Hope you can see the effect. Yeah. Then saturation, increase it a little. This is good. Now go to shadow, can increase it a little. So guys, that's all. We are done with this design and we are done with this. Please, if you know you are yet to hit the subscribe button, go ahead and hit it. Like this video, please share it with a friend, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell. My name is Victor and the name of my brand is Vixen Tech. Do all to watch the next video that will appear on your screen right now, and don't forget to join us tomorrow, which is day 7. For those of you that would like to participate in the design challenge, do well to join our WhatsApp community. Head over to the description of this video. You find a link to our WhatsApp community. Click on it and you will definitely join our community. Now, for those of you that would also like to gain access to the design resources, it is simple. Watch the video from the beginning to the end so that you can gain access to the design resources. Thank you so much. See you tomorrow, which happens to be day 7.